beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Fuel your day with this creamy banana cashew nut smoothie. Perfect blend of sweetness. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so I'll be using bananas and I went ahead to wash it, peel, and I'll slice this. Feel free to use frozen banana if that's what you want. It's also perfect for this smoothie. Okay, so next we'll transfer this into our blender. Thank you beautiful people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here will make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my cashew nuts. Next is my dates. So this will serve as a sweetener. It's been soaked and deceived. And this is my milk. You can go ahead to use any milk of choice. You can also use almond milk, cashew milk, or coconut milk. So I'm gonna blend this till it is smooth. You can also add cinnamon powder if that's what you want. For topping of choice, you can use granola, walnut, or any topping you want. Pour into the glasses and add your topping and enjoy. I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.